Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, and within this video I'm going to show you how to harvest peppers. So how to harvest cayenne peppers and when to harvest cayenne peppers. Now something you probably want to have, gloves. I'm going to be really tough and not wear gloves, but it's highly recommended. And you're going to want a good pair of scissors. Now these scissors, they're for food use, and you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order them online. But most any pair of scissors will probably work. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go over to my cayenne pepper plant, and I'm going to show you how this is done. As I mentioned earlier, gloves are highly encouraged, but you do what you want to do. You can see here this is a red color. Now these may stay green for quite a while, and then they'll kind of turn an orangish. This is red, so you want to make sure your cayenne pepper is ripe. The scissors are important for several reasons. Number one, you don't want to tug on this and damage your plant, because your pepper plant's going to produce additional peppers. And so you'll see here, there's the red part, and then there's the green part, and there's the stem. You just want to cut right above, and don't yank on your pepper plant, but right above there. That is how to harvest a cayenne pepper. See it? Now, if you didn't wear gloves, wash your hands before you go pee. Just a word of the wise. So I hope this video helped. This is how to harvest a cayenne pepper. Be sure to subscribe and check out all of Chef IrixGuy's videos. I'm going to do a lot of pepper dehydrating. I'm going to make a lot of sauces. I'm going to make a lot of spices. And it's not just cayenne pepper today, but I do all kinds of peppers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.